morning, this is WVMS TV and we are live on the air. This is your channel for West Valley's news and information. I am Katie Harrell and I am here with
Macy Brassfield.
And we have today's announcements.
Anyone interested in the West Valley Middle School Spring Musical, Bye Bye Birdie, please come to the chorus room and get information today. This information is only for those who are interested in being in the musical. Those interested in stage crew, please listen for information in December or January.
The following repaired MacBooks are ready to pick up at the help desk. Please back up all your work to Google Drive. Bring your loaner laptop and Chromebook charger. Talon Pritchard, Joel Alcacer, Maddie Fathy, Jimmy Singh, Ethan Ford, and Julia Beers.
Madeline Lubiani, Danny Ferguson, Joe Johnson, Abby Carter, Hayes Haney, Gavin Reeves,
Caden Skurlock, Seth Rayfuse, Hudson Hoffaker, Margaret Barker, Maddie Taylor, Olivia Anselman.
Delaney Moore, Avery Grieve, Kinley Campbell, Tyler Huffsteller, Caleb Timms, Lucas Oba, and I'm sorry we pronounced your name wrong.
The West Valley Ensemble Veterans Day concert is Thursday at 7 p.m. in the gym. We hope to see you there.
The Second Harvest Canned Food Collection Drive Contest will run November 5th through the November 21st. Be the top homeroom in your grade level to bring in the most food and win a bagel breakfast. The Student Council will have tables set up in the main hallway outside the cafeteria for you to drop off your donated items. Donations will be stacked in the main hallway corners. Let's make those stacks touch the ceiling.
Guess what else is going on next week? The official WVMS basketball season starts and so does Spirit Week. We've got Spirit, how about you? Let's get pumped up and have some fun. Here's what we have planned for next week.
Monday is Pajama Day. This is great. All you have to do is roll to bed and you're dressed. This is a great way to kick off Spirit Week.
Tuesday will be Twin Tuesday. Who's your best friend? You know the first person that came to your mind? Well, they will be the person for this day. Dress alike day.
Wednesday is Way Back Wednesday. Wear your choice of clothes anywhere from the 1700s to the 1980s. This should be interesting.
Thursday is School Spirit Day. We have a big game on Friday, so let's get pumped up and ready to win. Show your school spirit by wearing WVMS colors. Support your teams.
Friday is Freaky Friday. Are you tired of having to pick out clothes that match? Don't worry about it Friday, because you're not going to wear anything that matches. Mismatch is the only way to go.
Disclaimer: all outfits for every day must meet dress code. Do not wear hats, wigs, or masks to school. You will be required to remove them.
P.S. Remember, this starts next week. Now let's see what's happening in the library this week.
Get ready, the book fair starts next week. Miss Getz needs all library helpers to meet in the mornings this week to help with book fair decoration.
Do you need some extra support in your academic classes? Stop by the library before school on Tuesdays and after school on Thursdays. We have friendly, knowledgeable students to help you out.
All NaNoWriMo writers, stop by the library to get your writer's pass. Keep those computers charged and those fingers typing. You have made it to day 6.
Picture retakes are today starting at 1 o'clock in the guidance office. Retakes are only for those who are absent on picture day. If you ordered a picture package and were not happy with the picture, please bring the original pictures with you when you have your picture retaken. And if you want to purchase pictures.
Unless you plan to vote tomorrow, turn off your alarm and go back to sleep. We don't have school. Woohoo!
The mission of the West Valley Middle School community is to inspire the students to be resourceful, respectful, and responsible citizens by providing a challenging and safe learning environment.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.